Hi everyone, welcome to VLSI World PD. If you are a student or beginner confused about what physical design is in VLSI, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll explain physical design from absolute scratch, in a very simple and clear way. This is part 1 of our physical design from scratch series. Let's begin. First, let's understand what VLSI means. VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integration. It means placing millions or billions of transistors on a single silicon chip. These chips are used in mobiles, laptops, cars, AI processors, and servers. But designing these chips is not a single step, it is divided into multiple stages. VLSI design is divided into front-end and back-end. Front-end VLSI deals with RTL coding using Verilog or VHDL. Functional verification. Front-end answers one question. Right finger does the design work logically. Back-end VLSI is called physical design. It answers a different question. Right finger, can this design be manufactured on silicon and meet timing, power, and area requirements? Let's now understand the RTL to GDSI flow, which is the heart of physical design. First is RTL design, written in Verilog or VHDL. Next is synthesis, where RTL is converted into a gate-level netlist. Then comes floor planning, where chip size and macro placement are decided. After that, power planning is done using power rings and stripes. Then placement, where millions of standard cells are placed. Next is clock tree synthesis, to distribute clock with minimum skew. Then routing, where all connections are made using metal layers. Finally, sign-off checks are performed, and GDSI is generated. The major stages of physical design are floor planning, power planning, placement, clock tree synthesis, routing, physical verification. Each stage is critical. A mistake in one stage can affect timing, power, or manufacturability. So this was a complete beginner introduction to physical design in VLSI. In the next video, we'll explain the RTL to GDSI flow step by step in detail. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to VLSI World PD, and comment where you are learning VLSI from. Let's build strong physical design fundamentals together. See you in the next video.